member of Apam Senior High School. I am here to brief you on urban gardening. Someone might ask, what is urban gardening? Urban gardening is the integration of science and technology into the cultivation and harvesting of farm produce. We will delve more into the concept of urban gardening, exploring its multifaceted importance, advantages it comes with, problems associated with it, and how to solve those problems. In this video, we would like to show you how you can make your own urban gardens in your urban centers. Thank you.